Sir, on behalf of my party AIMIM, sir, in my speech I had requested for a white paper on the 6 guarantees. Or I had requested the Honorable Finance Minister Sahab to please give us the detail as to how much is the requirement for the implementation of 6 guarantees and the other promises made before the election to the people of the state of Telangana, sir. Sir, nothing specific has been replied in this regard, sir. I hope the Honorable Finance Minister Sahab would give the details, sir. Sir, I may be wrong. I had given all the details, sir. As per my calculation, 2,15,568 crores is required for the 6 guarantees. Please let me know if I am right or wrong. Also, if I am wrong, kindly give the details as to why I am wrong, sir. Sir, also to fulfill the other promises, the requirement as per my calculations would be 91,444. So the total requirement would be 3,07,012.86 crores, sir. That is 3,07,307, sir. 3,07,012, sir. Sir, also, sir, in my speech I had requested an allocation has been made of 53,196 for fulfilling the promises of 6 guarantees. Honorable Finance Minister Sahab had failed to give the details of this amount breakup as to on what schemes and which scheme this amount would be spent, sir. Sir, going further ahead, sir, Honorable Finance Minister Sahab hasn't given a reply to me of the question which I had raised, sir. And this is a very important, sir. The difference in the figures, sir, Honorable Speaker, sir. Sir, if we have to see, as per budget book of 24-25, statement of demands for grant for the year 24-25, 1/2 volume, sir. So for road, building and ports revenue, 8,384.88. Capital is 5,923.13. The total is 14,308.01. And school education also 16,970, and again capital is 961. The total is 17,931, sir. And higher education, technical education, altogether, as per the demand of grants, statement of demands of grant 24-25, sir, 1/1/2, sir, book, the total amount is coming to 21,378.17 crores, sir. Sir, as per the budget speech book, sir, the same is mentioned as 21,389. The difference of amount in crores is 10.83. Sir, again, if we have to see for the medical and health also, so the demands for grant 1/2 volume says 11,072.49. And the Honorable Finance Minister Saab's speech says 11,500. So Social Welfare Department also, so the demands for grant says 18,110.17. Honorable Finance Minister Saab, Deputy Chief Minister Saab's speech book says 21,874. And tribal welfare, sir, the demands for grant says 11,711.15. And as per the budget speech, it is 13,313. So, sir, the same is with the Agricultural Department also. 15,603 is in the books. Demands of grants, sir. And Honorable Finance Minister Saab's speech says 19,744 crores, sir. Sir, so the total difference is there. So I would, in the energy department also, sir, 12,991.34 is mentioned the demands for grant for 24-25, 1/2 volumes, sir. As per the budget speech, Honorable Finance Minister Saab says 16,825, sir. So it is the same with the industries also, sir. So Honorable Finance Minister Saab hasn't given me the details, sir. Why is there difference of amount in budget speech and budget volume, sir? Sir, also, sir, I would like to have a clarification about the interest payment during the financial year comes to 22,751.82 crores. That is 1,895.98 crores per month. Sir, am I right or wrong? I need a clarification on this also, sir. Sir, and going further ahead, sir, hence during the 4-month period of OTAN account, April to July 2024, the borrowings would come up to 17,742 crores, sir. This is what I assume. So I would like a clarification from the Finance Minister. Am I right in this or am I wrong, sir? Sir, I have also asked about Dharani, sir. Sir, Honorable Minister Sahab haven't spoken anything about Dharani, sir. Are we going to continue with the Dharani or not? This has to be clarified, sir. And about the metro train for Old City, sir, I have also requested the Honorable Minister Sahab to kindly come and do the inauguration or lay a foundation stone for this metro train corridor which was left over then. It was earlier sanctioned. MG bus stand से फलकनुमा तक तो उसका foundation stone रखने के लिए मैं दरखास्त करूँगा. और yesterday, sir, Honorable Legislative Affairs Minister had given me a reply stating that a letter will be issued to all the colleges for not holding the certificates. I hope that the Finance Minister, I was expecting the Finance Minister to give this assurance again because it is very important, sir. It is very important because after completing a particular course, either they have to go for higher studies or they are going for seeking job. But because of the fees which are due from the government, receivable to the institutes, they are not releasing the certificates. So kindly issue an order to all the institutes stating that the dues would be released in due course of time, and also please mention by when are you going to release. Sir, now the sad state is that, sir, if we have to see the dues, sir, from the year 18 and 19 there are dues, sir. So at least we should clear those dues, sir. 18 and 19 if we see, sir, I'm talking about the minorities, sir. Sir, 18 and 19 and 19 and 20, 20 and 21, 21 and 22, 22 and 23, sir, RTF dues are 289, MTF dues are 33.82, the total dues are 323.54. This is, I'm talking about only minorities, sir. But the same situation, and I would say, in fact, it is more worse than the minorities in SC, ST and BCs also. So all the students belonging from SC, ST, BCs or minorities, sir, their dues are from the year 18 and 19. Kindly in phase manner at least, we need to clear the dues so that the certificates are not being withheld, sir. About overseas scholarships, sir, 22, sir, 250 applications, 13 crores are due. 250 applications again, fall season for 22. Again, 250 applications, sir. The total dues are 64.50, sir. Sir, here we can issue letters and tell the institutes to release the certificates. But what about these overseas students? The same situation is again with the SC, ST and BC's overseas students also, sir. Sir, their semesters have finished. They have completed their course and the fees are due, sir. So I hope that Honorable Minister Saab would take an immediate action on this, sir. Sir, also, sir, I had mentioned about, and no reply has been given, sir, I had mentioned about GO 314. This needs to be considered, sir. Transfer of spouse, sir, which has been pending from so long. Sir, I have also requested for a registration office to be established or started in Ballagoda in Old City, sir. I hope this will also be considered, sir. I have also spoken about old pension scheme and PRC. The Honorable Finance Minister Sahab haven't spoken anything about this, sir. So about the old pension scheme and the PRC, sir. Sir, I have also spoken about, sir, this rental dues which are there for the Timri schools. All the schools in Timris, in backward class BC Corporation and SC Corporation, all the schools, residential schools which are running in rented properties, the rents are due, sir. Kindly clear those dues, sir. I have also mentioned about one GO wherein an amount was released, 110 crores for the masjids and all repair. The collectors never carried out those works and the amount was spent for some different works. For this Ramzan festival, we need not give any money. We can say that कि वो पैसा जो 110 करोड़ रुपया आपको दिया गया था, आप उसी को इस्तेमाल करिए और रमजान से पहले कामों को मुकम्मल करके कंप्लीशन के सर्टिफिकेट्स फाइनेंस डिपार्टमेंट को देने के लिए या माइनॉरिटी डिपार्टमेंट को देने के लिए. सर, आई हैव आल्सो स्पोकन अबाउट, सर, दिस 2 bedroom, सर. सर, 2 bedroom अलॉटमेंट हुआ, लॉटरी हुई, लोगों को दे दिया गया, लेकिन आज तक भी दे आर नॉट अलाउड टू एंटर, सर. उनको चाबी नहीं दी गई. तो मैं ये चाहता हूं कि जिनको अलॉटमेंट हो चुका है, एटलीस्ट दे कैन बी अलाउड टू हैव द ऑक्यूपेशन ऑफ द यूनिट विच हैज बीन अलॉटेड टू देम. सो दिस इज बीन पेंडिंग, सर. और एक चीज, सर, उसमें in my constituency I had requested that we have taken up 2 bedroom construction at a site where the site belonged to PWD department and GHMC quarters were there. We evicted them on the assurance that when the 2 bedroom would be constructed, you will be allotted, and the allotment letter was given to them, a pata passbook was given to them, unit number was given to them, and the units are not been allotted to them. That can also be cleared, sir. I had also mentioned about judicial powers to Waqf Board, sir. I had also requested about judicial powers to Waqf Board, sir. That has also not been said anything, sir. About, sir, we have also, I had, today my colleague have also spoken about कि एक आग लग गई थी बाजार घाट में. इलेक्शन कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट था उस वक्त नामपल्ली असेंबली कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी में, where then government has announced a compensation of 5 lakh मरने वालों को. तो जो लोग मरे थे वहां पे उनको 5 लाख देने की बात की गई थी हुकूमत की जानिब से. 10 लोग मरे थे, उनको देने का वादा किया गया था. बाजार घाट में इलेक्शन के वक्त आग लगी थी. बाजार घाट नामपल्ली ये इलेक्शंस में साहब, ये इलेक्शंस में 13 नवंबर, सर. तो वो एक 5-5 लाख जो लोग मरे हैं उनको, और बोजी गुट्टा पर हम बार बार दरखास्त कर रहे हैं कि 2 bedroom लेने के लिए, उसके ऊपर भी मिनिस्टर साहब ने कुछ भी जवाब नहीं दिया. तो मैं उम्मीद करता हूं, और उसके साथ ही साथ, सर, अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, सर, आई विल कंक्लूड. सर, जीएचएमसी के अगर लोन्स देखते हैं तो 6,374.48 करोड़ हैं. JNNURM, SRDP, CRNP, SNDP. और अगर लोन अमाउंट्स हम देखते हैं जो पेएबल है, देना है अब उनको फॉर द ईयर 24-25, 1,253.67 ये देना है. And I have also given the details of number of bills which are pending. 5,541 bills are pending. The amount that is due to the contractors are 1,153.57, sir. So ye amount, and lastly, Honorable Speaker, sir, so the government is due to GHMC for the current financial year. For the current financial year, government is to pay to GHMC professional tax of 300 crores, property tax for government buildings 107 crores, Funds for Patana Pragati 227 crores, mutation fee of 175.46 crores, transfer duty is rupees 2,950. The total dues from the state government to GHMC is 3,759.46. तो मैंने रिक्वेस्ट किया था कि 3,759 में से कम आधे पैसे तो दे दीजिए जीएचएमसी को। उसके ऊपर भी मिनिस्टर साहब ने कुछ भी नहीं कहा। मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि इस ताल्लुक से भी देखेंगे, क्योंकि वर्क सैंक्शन तो हो गए हैं लेकिन एग्जीक्यूट नहीं हो रहे हैं, वर्क स्टार्ट नहीं हो रहे हैं, बिकॉज पुराने बिल्स पेंडिंग हैं। और पुराने शहर की तरक्की के लिए भी हमने बात की थी। उम्मीद करते हैं कि ओल्ड सिटी को भी न्यू सिटी की तरह तरक्की दी जाएगी। मैं मिनिस्टर साहब का शुक्रिया अदा करूंगा कि उन्होंने लाड़ बाजार और चार मीनार पेडेस्ट्रियनाइजेशन के बारे में कहा है। मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि चार मीनार पेडेस्ट्रियनाइजेशन प्रोजेक्ट और लाड़ बाजार का जो फसाड का काम है वो इमीडिएटली लिया जाएगा। एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग सर, हमारे पास ओल्ड सिटी में, मेरी कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी में 3 फ्लाईओवर्स मंजूर हुए हैं। 3 नहीं तो नहीं, कम से कम 1 फ्लाईओवर बहुत जरूरी है, उसको मंजूर हो चुका है। सिर्फ एक के लिए आप एक फाउंडेशन स्टोन रख के उसका काम शुरू कराइए। और मैंने शहर के ट्रैफिक के इश्यूज के बारे में कहा था, मिनिस्टर साहब ने उस ताल्लुक से भी कुछ नहीं कहा। मैंने यहां पे पोल्यूशन के बारे में भी कहा था, उसके बारे में भी नहीं। और लास्ट, शायद उम्मीद करता हूं कि आप हंसेंगे नहीं, मगर एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट इशू है मिनिस्टर साहब हमारे शहर का, कि डॉग बाइट्स के बारे में कहा था। मैं बहुत सारे कुत्ते नए कुत्ते भी आ गए, नए ब्रीड के भी भौंक रहे हैं, काट रहे हैं, शहर में लोगों को परेशान कर रहे हैं। मैं उम्मीद करूंगा कि आप ये डॉग बाइट्स को भी कम करेंगे, कम करने के लिए जो भी जरूरी इक़दामात है वो करेंगे, क्योंकि ये बहुत ही ऐसा बच्चियां मर गए हैं, छोटे बच्चों को भी कुत्ते काट के ले गए, अभी भी मसला है। उम्मीद करता हूं कि आप एक मीटिंग भी अगर बुला लेते हैं जीएचएमसी के सिटी एमएलएस के, तो हम ट्रैफिक के ऊपर, ये डॉग बाइट्स के ऊपर, स्ट्रीट लाइट्स के ऊपर बिन फ्री बना दिए गए हैं, बिन उठा दिया गया है। लोग अब रास्ते में कचरे फेंक रहे हैं, अंबार है, लाइट्स का मेंटेनेंस नहीं है, सारे मसाइल हम उठा सकते हैं। आपने जो मौका दिया इसके लिए मैं आपका शुक्रिया अदा करता हूं।
कुनमन नेनी सांबशिवराव।